Welcome back to English and Chill. Today, our two coworkers talk about a very important skill, self-control. Listen for the phrase out of sight, out of mind, and hear how Mark resists some tasty office treats.
Hi, Mark. Happy Tuesday.
Oh, hey Sarah. Is it Tuesday? I feel like it is still Monday.
You look a little sleepy today. Did you stay up late?
No, I just went to the gym very early. At 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? Wow, Mark. That is so early.
It is. My legs are very sore now.
I can imagine. Are you drinking coffee?
Yes, I am. But I am trying not to look at those.
Those donuts? They look delicious, don't they?
They do. Especially the ones from Dunkin' Donuts over there.
I know. Someone brought 2 boxes this morning.
I really want one. But I am trying to use my self-control.
Self-control. That is a big word.
What does that mean exactly? To you, I mean.
I think it means saying no to yourself. Like when you want a donut but you know it's not healthy.
Saying no to yourself. I like that definition.
It's about your brain being the boss of your body.
The brain is the boss. But my stomach is very loud right now.
Your stomach is a bad worker, Mark.
He is. He wants sugar and he wants it now.
Well, self-control is like a muscle. You have to train it.
A muscle? So if I don't eat the donut, my brain gets stronger?
Exactly. You practice resisting. Resist means to fight the feeling.
Resist. Good word. But it is so hard.
It is hard. But I have some tips that help me.
Oh, really? Please tell me. I need help.
Okay. Tip number 1, actually, this is the most important one. It's about your environment.
Environment? You mean the office?
Yes. Or your home. I use a phrase, out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of mind. What does that mean?
It means if you don't see it, you don't think about it. If the donuts are in the kitchen, I stay at my desk.
Oh. So if I can't see the sugar, I don't want the sugar.
Right. For example, at home, I love dark chocolate. Especially the one from Trader Joe's.
Wait, seriously? I love that one too.
It's so good. But if I put it on the table, I eat the whole thing at 9 p.m.
The whole thing?
Yes. Every time. So now, I put it in a high cabinet. In a blue bowl. Behind the pasta.
Behind the pasta. That is very smart, Sarah.
I forget it is there. Because I don't see it.
I see what you mean, but
what?
But everyone is eating donuts in here. I can smell them. The smell is not out of sight.
That's true. Smell is harder.
It's like my nose is calling me.
Maybe you should go for a walk? Just for 5 minutes.
A walk. That leads to my second question.
Go ahead.
What do I do when I feel a very strong, what is the word? A push to do something?
We call that an impulse. Like a sudden feeling.
Yes. An impulse. How do I stop that?
Well, tip number 2 is the 10-minute rule.
The 10-minute rule. Okay. Tell me more.
When you want something, like a donut or checking your phone, you tell yourself, I can have it in 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes? Not now?
Right. Not now. You just wait.
And then what happens?
Usually, after 10 minutes, the feeling goes away. Or it is much smaller.
Wow.
Your brain cools down. It's not so hot anymore.
I think I need that for my phone. I check it every 5 minutes.
Me too. I get a message and I have to.
You have to see it immediately.
Yes. Immediately. It's a bad habit.
I tried that once and lasted 2 days.
2 days is a start, Mark.
I suppose. But then I saw a video of a cat and I was gone for an hour.
Cat videos are the enemy of self-control.
They really are.
So, try the 10 minutes. Say, I will check my phone at 10:15, and then work.
10:15, okay. I will try that today.
It helps me focus. I put my phone in my bag, too.
Ah, out of sight again.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
I'm trying. But what about when you mess up?
Mess up. Good phrase. It means when you make a mistake, right?
Right. Like if I eat the donut. Does that mean I have no self-control?
No. Not at all. That is tip number 3.
What is tip number 3?
Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself.
Forgive myself? But I want to be strict.
If you are too strict, you will get frustrated and give up.
I don't know. I'm not so sure about that. If I am kind, maybe I will eat 10 donuts.
Haha. No, I mean don't hate yourself. If you eat one, just say, okay, I'll do better tomorrow.
So I don't stop the whole plan.
Right. One mistake is not the end.
I see what you mean, and we could also just focus on the next choice.
Yes. The next choice is the only one that matters.
This is really helpful, you know?
I'm glad. I'm learning a lot from talking about it, too.
It makes me feel less alone. I thought I was the only one who wanted all the donuts.
Oh, believe me, everyone in this office is fighting with their stomach.
Even the boss?
Especially the boss. He had 2 donuts before 8 a.m.
No way.
I saw him. He had sugar on his tie.
That is wild. I feel better now.
See? Everyone is human.
So, let me see if I got everything.
Yes, let's review our points.
First, environment. Out of sight, out of mind.
Right. Put the chocolate in the bowl.
Second, the 10-minute rule. Wait for the impulse to go away.
Yes. Let your brain cool down.
And third, be kind. If I mess up, I just try again.
That's it. You got all three, Mark.
I feel like a master of my brain now.
A master. I like that.
I think self-control is like training a dog.
A dog? How?
You have to be patient, but you have to be the leader.
That's a great metaphor. Your brain is the leader. Your impulses are the dog.
Exactly. And my dog really loves donuts.
My dog loves the dark chocolate from Trader Joe's.
We have very hungry dogs, Sarah.
We really do. But we can handle them.
I feel much more energized now. Thank you.
Of course. So, what's your plan for the phone today?
I'm going to put it in my desk drawer. And wait 10 minutes before checking.
That's a great concrete action.
And I will eat my protein bar instead of a donut.
A protein bar. Good choice. Is it chocolate flavor?
It is. But it's not a donut.
It's a start. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm going to go back to my desk and forget about the break room.
Good luck with that. The smell is still here.
I will take a deep breath and walk away.
Take a deep breath. I'll remember that one too.
It really helps. Okay, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Me too. I should get back to my desk.
Have a productive day, Mark.
You too, Sarah. See you at lunch.
See you later.
Take care.
Self-control is like a muscle, you can train it every day. I hope you found these tips helpful and learned how to say out of sight, out of mind in your own life.
Follow English and Chill for weekly practice and tell us in the comments, what is one thing you want to resist this week?